Today's wine text is 2007 Scarrone Barolo by Terra Divino. So Barolo, one of the most age-worthy wines in the world and considered some of the most collectible wines in Italy, for the main reason being that the wine itself, Nebbiolo, is super high tannins and also very high acidity, which is the two things you need to make age-worthy wine. 2007, going on 13 years of age. We opened one of these yesterday, and these are ready to go now. These are pretty much at the peak of their drinking period. So we wanted to offer you guys something that you don't necessarily have to hold on to or see evolution-wise, and actually see Barolo how it is when it ages for a decent amount of time. All the vines that are going into this wine are about 350 meters above sea level, which means they get maximum sunlight, but they also have a little bit more of a cooler climate, which restrains the grapes a little bit and then makes them a little bit more elegant and feminine. A wine like this, with age, when the tannins kind of drop out, as wine gets older, tannins drop out of the wine, become a little bit more easier on the palate, but also the fruit itself becomes a little less vibrant. A wine like this has a lot of that kind of dried cherry, dried cranberries thing going on, lots of leather. But the thing that comes out the most in Barolo to me is you get a little bit of that kind of savory black licorice thing that comes along naturally in Barolo, but expresses itself more over time. This will be a little bit lighter than what you expect out of Barolo just because of the age and the time that is spent in the bottle. So it's a little bit, goes more better with lighter meats. I think things like heavier fish dishes will be good with this as well. But yeah, I wouldn't hold on to it too much longer. I think we picked a wine that's right in its prime drinking period. So yeah, pop it open. Definitely decant it for a little bit. Also, watch out for sediment when you're decanting. Decant it slow. That way you don't mix the sediment within the wine. And yeah, a really cool wine that I think you guys will like. Enjoy.